shit! My phone! Oh, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Northampton County and eastern Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Easton, west central Morris County in northern New Jersey, northern Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, Warren County in northwest New Jersey until 3:30 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size national damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Easton and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Harmony and Bloomsbury around 2:30 p.m., Roxbury around 2:40 p.m., Pleasant Valley and Brass Castle around 2:15 p.m., Washington around 3 p.m., Oxford and Glen Gardner around 2:55 p.m., Calvin around 3:15 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county, Sussex County, Delaware, Morrison, Warren, and Northampton County, Pennsylvania. The severe thunderstorm warning for...
Alright guys, 1 second. Alright guys, here it is. Here's the map. Actually, I'll use this radar instead. But here's the map. Those two warnings that you just heard, they were not the same warnings at all, in fact. Because the warning that was just issued was down here on the 12993, or the little red handheld, was this warning right here. And I'm not sure if they said it, but yeah, so here's something different I've never seen before. And a tremendous amount of cloud-to-ground lightning. So anyway, so this was one warning for southeastern Sussex County and central Delaware. Sussex County is in southern Delaware. It's right here. Oh, it's right here. Interesting. Hold on a second, guys. And so yeah, that was the warning for southeastern Sussex County. And here's the other warning that was issued, which is for up here. Which is for southeastern Northampton County, west central Morris County, northern Hunterdon and Warren counties in New Jersey. Alright, I guess that'll be it, guys. This is Lego Fanatic, episode 56.